Thank you for your purchase of Dash Cooper Ride-On. This beautiful ride-on comes in attractive colors and is easy to assemble in following some simple steps. You would also need a piler and a screwdriver. You need to assemble it with the following parts. Main body. Front wheel complete. Steering wheel. Backrest and batteries. To start with, take the main body and insert the front wheel complete to the main body. In the next step, fix steering rod to the main body and fix it with the help of nut and bolt. Now put the backrest to the main body. It's time to put batteries to the music console to activate music and lights. Your beautiful Dash Cooper Ride-On is ready to use. Dash Ride, Kids Pride.